Hey guys over at Cleaning and Clear Cleaning Services, this is Fernando, and I'm making a little video for you guys to tell you what you need to do to improve on this beautiful website you have so you can rank higher than your competitors. So today we're going to be talking about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. And the reason is because when you Google cleaning services in Miami, which is a very popular search term, you are not on this first page, which is very difficult if you're not on this page to land somebody. But one of your competitors is, and this is your competitor, Miami Top Cleaning. Let me show you a little bit about why it is that they're there and how you can get ahead of them on Google ranking. So in terms of content, that's everything in words, in text, letters, numbers on your website that Google can find and search for keywords and key phrases. So the more text you have on your website, the better, and Google likes about 2,000 words per page. And I copy and pasted yours into a word counter, and you have about 799 words. Whereas your competitor, if I were to do the same thing on their website, they have considerably more words of content, and like I said, Google likes that. So let's see what they got. Okay, so they have 1,482. Still not the gold number of 2,000, but that just means that it'll be easy for you to beat them if you add another like 1,200 and so words to your front page. You should be able to blow them out of the water on that category, okay? And that gives you an opportunity to put more keywords and phrases into your text. The other thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks are essentially links on other websites that get people back to your website. And this is seen by Google as some sort of a popularity contest, and they like the fact that you have a lot of backlinks on a lot of different websites that come back to your page, so they rank you higher in the organic section, which if you start at the top of the page and work your way down, this is the organic section. So people actually love this because this is not ads, and they feel like websites that are tracked and ranked in this organic section have actually more quality services. So they don't really see it as a popularity contest, more as so much so as a quality contest. Whether that's true or not remains to be seen, but the fact is, if you add backlinks, and right now this is your website on a tool we use. Again, you can get these all yourself. The backlink checkers and keyword checkers are available on Google. You can search and find them for free and check the backlinks of your website or your competitor's website. You have 246 coming from 20 different websites. They find you for 31 keywords on the internet, and it drives 4 people to your business via Google searches. Whereas your competitors, they have 1,190 backlinks on their site, coming from 116 websites, and they get found for 697 keywords. Again, remember all that text on their page. They get to put in a lot of keywords, so they get found for 697, and that drives 768 people per month. These are monthly numbers to their site. And just to give you an idea of value, they estimate that if they had to pay ads to get this traffic, it would cost them $11,400 per month in ads. So that's essentially what they're saving by optimizing their website and putting all those keywords and text and backlinks on them. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations are essentially your name, address, and phone number on the internet in different directories. These directories include Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook. Any place you put your name, address, and phone number is considered a directory. So these citations are counted by Google and credited to your site, and the more of them you have, the more authority Google gives you, and it will rank you in the top 3 if you're in the top 3 in citations. And that's another thing you can get for yourself. You just find the citations that are on your competitor's website through one of those backlink checkers, and then go and put your name and address and phone number in there, and that's all you need to do. Again, it takes a while for Google to implement all this stuff and rank you with it, but the faster you start it, the better. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention is on your website you have images, and you have to make sure that when you save these images, you save them with keywords rather than numbers and dimensions of the images. So all of the images, logos on your site should be saved with a keyword name so that Google can use that to search your site and rank you higher than your competitors. So that's an opportunity that right now you're not taking advantage of. That's all I got for you. So if there's anything I can do for you guys, please contact me. My name is Fernando. My number is 561-945-6779. Thank you for taking the time, and have a great day.